Hey you guys, in this video I am going to give you the information that you need to have in regards to selling a house that needs repairs that absolutely no one is talking about right now. Realtors aren't talking about it, contractors aren't talking about it, your friends and family probably don't even know about it. But in this video I will give you the exact detail on what you need to do to sell your house that is in need of repairs that you don't have the money to fix. So imagine, I guess, this scenario. And it could be a scenario that you're currently facing. Imagine that you have a bad foundation. Your foundation leaks. Your furnace doesn't work. Your roof is completely shot. It's been on the house for 35 years and the shingles are starting to peel. Your windows are drafty. The flooring's all torn up. It's stained. It's old. Imagine you have a house like that. How would you suggest that someone like that go and sell their house on the open market? Like, what if someone came through? Like, what are they going to think? Are they going to buy it? Like, that's the question that you need to ask. What if there was a company out there that would purchase your house from you and take care of all those repairs and still provide you with a fair offer? And that's why I'm making this video today, because my name's Carter. I'm owner of CB Home Solutions. That is a local house buying company, and that's what we offer. We offer a solution to someone's problem that they might currently be in. So I guess to summarize what we do, we buy properties with the intention of making a profit, whether we flip them or keep them as rentals. That's our strategy. That's pretty much how cut and dry. And you might be thinking in your head right now, this guy probably lowballs offers people. They probably pay like pennies on the dollar. They don't give you anything anywhere close to what your house is worth. And you guys couldn't be further from the truth. So to really get down to the nitty gritty on this, I'm going to explain how we make a profit. Like, say your house in its current state is worth $50,000, and I'm just throwing out round numbers. Do you think, like, what if we stuck 25,000 into your house? Do you think it would be worth more than 75,000? If it had a new kitchen, new bath, new roof, windows, flooring, paint, do you think it would be worth more money than the money we stuck into it? And the chances are it probably is. And that's that margin that we make. That's that wedge. The difference between what your house could be worth and the amount of money we stick into it. That's our profit margin. So that's how we make a profit as a company that purchases property. And you might be in the situation where you're like, dang, I don't want to be responsible to find the contractors. I don't want to be responsible for paying the money out of pocket to have these items fixed. Because realistically, it's not as easy as everyone thinks. Like, finding contractors, paying the contractors, making sure they show up on time, it is extremely difficult, and they are going to charge you an arm and a leg if you're only going to them for 1, 2, or 3 times. Just because you're not a repeat customer, so they can charge the maximum retail value, which really isn't fair, but that's how they make their living. So I guess when it's all said and done, if you're thinking to yourself, well, what's the other solution? Well, it might be to sell to a company like ours. Like, I'll come out, I'll make you an offer on your property. I'll actually provide you with 3 different offers so you can pick which one works best for yourself. And then you can make the decision. You can be like, Carter, none of those work. I think I'm just going to keep the house and repair it myself. Or you can be like, well, option number 1 works or option number 3 works. Whatever you decide to go with. And the cost of that is absolutely nothing. All it takes is 2 minutes, 3 minutes of your time. Fill out the form down below or to the right on this page. That's all you have to do is fill out the form. I will personally reach out to you within minutes after you complete the form. We can have a conversation. I can ask you what's going on. You can ask me questions if you have any, and we'll go from there. So I hope that makes sense. Like I said, there's zero cost to this, zero obligation, and I hope that we can help you out in the future. Again, my name's Carter, CB Home Solutions. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day.